Okay guys, these are VAT system keys. VAT system is a GM key from usually 80s until even the early 2000s. General Motors used these keys, as everybody knows. This is a single-sided key for the older models and probably 98 and younger. And these are the newer keys, the 10-cut keys. They started them in 96. A lot of the Buicks use them, like the Buick Regal, some of the Oldsmobiles, Cadillacs. Long story short, this is the VAT resistor. There's 15 different resistors in these keys. Okay, this machine is a VAT decoder made by Locksmith. This will tell us what the number of the VAT chip is right here, the resistor. Again, there's through 1 through 15 or sometimes 2 to 15. So we pull this VAT key, the double-sided one, out of a 13 bag. Okay, this is an original Stratec key. Okay, now let's say we do not have this key, or the customer has a key that he wants to get copied. We will turn this machine on, take the double-sided key and stick it in all the way in. Okay, and there you go. It'll read the resistor and tell us that it's a number 13 key. Okay,
which is the number of the chip.
This is the number of the resistor, not necessarily a chip, but this is the resistor. So now we know that it's a 13. And how do we know what number works on the vehicle? We normally have to run the VIN with the dealership, and they will give us the original key code and the original VAT number. Normally the VAT numbers will come either as a number, or I have a little sheet here that they come in 2-letter combinations. So number 2 is CN, number 3 is FW, number 4 is GP. So you'll get the key code followed by these numbers or letters. And then let's say it's a UW, so you know it's a 15 number key that you have to use. XY is number 13, this one. So that's pretty much the whole story about VAT system keys. The easiest way to get the key code is through your dealership or a valid locksmith that can run the code by himself and cut you the key and get you going. Thanks for watching, guys, on the GM VAT key system.